हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हम क्लास 9 का 5th लेसन द फंडामेंटल यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ देख रहे थे। इसमें हम देखेंगे आज सेल वॉल। सेल वॉल इज़ द आउटर कवरिंग ऑफ प्लांट सेल। इट इज़ द common feature of the plant cell. Cell wall is only found in plant cell. It is absent in animal cell. It is rigid and present outer side of plasma membrane or plant cell. In case of animal, the outer covering is plasma membrane, while in case of plant, the outer covering is cell wall. It is non-living and freely permeable for all substance like ions, molecules and water. It is made up of cellulose. Cellulose is the type of carbohydrate. It is the carbohydrate that we call the complex carbohydrate is in the form of polysaccharide. Polysaccharide is the type of the complex carbohydrate. Now we see the function of cell wall. What type of the function it perform inside the cell body, plant body. It maintain water concentration inside the cell because it is the dead structure and allow the water molecules inside the plant cell and make the plant cell turgid. Turgid means full with the water. सेल जिसकी वजह से आउटर जो शेप है आपका टर्जिडिटी की वजह से प्लांट सेल का शेप मेंटेन होता है. इट प्रोवाइड्स मैकेनिकल सपोर्ट टू द प्लांट सेल और इंटरनल ऑर्गन ऑफ द सेल. सेल के अंदर जितने भी इंटरनल ऑर्गेनल्स होंगे उनको वो मैकेनिकली सपोर्ट करती है क्योंकि प्रोटेक्टिव कवरिंग है. इट इज़ फ्रीली परमिएबल टू वाटर एंड substance in a solution. They may be minerals, they may be ions and they may be some salt molecule. A cell wall connect with the adjacent cell wall with the help of one connection and glue like structure or jelly like structure that we call the middle lamellae. It's a sticky substance which is attached to the nearest cell wall. Means दो सेल वॉल के बीच में जो कनेक्शन रहता है उनके बीच में जो स्टिकीनेस रहता है that is the middle lamellae. Two cells connect with small opening between the two cells, means the adjacent two cells. The opening between that small cell two cell that we call the plasmodesmata. That's why the substance of the one cell is transferred to the another cell with the help of plasmodesmata. Suppose एक सेल के अंदर पानी एंटर हो गया है तो ऑब्वियसली उस सेल में से पानी आपकी नियरेस्ट सेल के पास चला जाएगा. तो जाने के लिए जो ओपनिंग रहती है दैट वी कॉल द प्लाज्मोडेस्माटा. यहाँ पे हम देखेंगे दिस इज़ द सेल, दिस इज़ द इनर कवरिंग ऑफ द प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन एंड द आउटर कवरिंग दैट वी कॉल द सेल वॉल and in between that there is a middle lamellae. That part we call the middle lamellae. It is the glue like structure or jelly like structure. And in between it that is the gate or that is the pore channel like channel we say that we called plasmodesmata. Now we see the second organelles, second part inside the cell found in the both cell, plant as well as animal, that we call the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the fluid material. Actually it's not so much liquid and not a solid. It's a semi-solid material or fluid like material inside the cell. It is located between cell membrane and plasma membrane. cell membrane and nuclear membrane. Cell organelles are suspended in cytoplasm. Now we see the function of them. It contains various amino acids, glucose, vitamins, ions, etc. It is a center of some chemical reactions like glycolysis. It is the respiration reaction found in the cell cytoplasm, then nucleotide formation, and fatty acid formation. Fatty acid is the simple form of the fats. Living cytoplasm. In case of living cell, the cytoplasm found is always in moving form because it is the fluid structure. That's why it's moved from one place to another place. Now we see the chemical elements found in the cytoplasm. What type of the chemicals found in the cytoplasm? Firstly, it contains oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, carbon, then nitrogen. Nitrogen is essential for the plant growth, and some other elements like calcium, phosphorus, chlorine, sulfur, potassium, sodium, magnesium, iodine, and Fe, ferrous. These are chemical elements found in cytoplasm. Thank you.